विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी विवेक हिरवडेकर. आज आपणासमोर 10th जॉमेट्री बोर्ड नोव्हेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पार्ट 4 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. क्वेश्चन 4. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चन्स एनी टू 8 marks. 1. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Segment AP perpendicular side BC, BPC collinear points. Point D is the midpoint of the side BC. Then prove that 2AD square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Question 4.1. See figure carefully. Given in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Segment AP perpendicular side BC. BPC collinear points. Point D is the midpoint of side BC. To prove 2AD square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Proof. Point D is the midpoint of side BC. Therefore, side AD is the median of triangle ABC. By Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. Equation 1. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. Now in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Equation 2. By Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. From equation 1 and 2, BC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. BDC collinear points. Therefore, BC square is equal to, in bracket, BD plus CD bracket complete square. BD plus CD bracket complete square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. BD square plus 2BD into CD plus CD square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. BD is equal to CD. Therefore, BD square plus 2BD into BD plus CD square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. D is the midpoint of segment BC. Therefore, BD is equal to CD. Therefore, BD square plus 2BD square plus CD square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. Therefore, BD square is equal to 2BD square minus 2BD square plus CD square is equal to 2AD square. 2BD square minus 2BD square cancel. Therefore, BD square plus CD square is equal to 2AD square. Therefore, 2AD square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Hence, prove. Question 2. See figure carefully. In the above figure, chord AB congruent chord AD, chord AC and chord BD intersect each other at point E. Then prove that AB square is equal to AE into AC. 2. Given here chord AB congruent chord AD, chord AC and chord BD intersect each other at point E. Construction joining point B and C. To prove AB square is equal to AE into AC, prove, see figure carefully. Chord AB congruent chord AD. Therefore, arc AB congruent arc AD. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle are congruent. In triangle ABE and triangle ACB, angle ABE congruent angle ACB, measure of congruent arcs. ABE congruent angle ACB, angle BAE congruent angle CAB, common angles. Angle BAE, angle CAB, common angle. Therefore, triangle ABE similar triangle ACB by A test for similarity. Triangle ABE similar triangle ACB. Therefore, AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AB is equal to BE upon CB. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AB. Therefore, AB into AB is equal to AE into AC. Therefore, AB square is equal to AE into AC. Hence, prove. Question 3. A straight road leads to the foot of the tower of height 48 meter. From the top of the tower, the angles of depressions of two cars standing on the road are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two cars. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. Question 3. Here, according to given information, first draw triangle ABC. AB is equal to height of the tower is equal to 48 meter. Let x be the distance between the two cars. Therefore, CD is equal to x meter. In triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite sides upon adjacent side is equal to BD upon AB. 30 degree angle, opposite side BD, adjacent side AB. Tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to BD upon 48. Therefore, BD is equal to 48 upon root 3 meter. Equation 1. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to BC upon AB. Triangle ABC, opposite 60 degree side BC, adjacent side AB. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to BC upon 48. Therefore, BC is equal to 48 under root 3 meter. Equation 2. From the figure, BD plus DC is equal to BC. BDC collinear points. BD plus X is equal to BC. Put the value of BD and BC. BD is equal to 48 upon root 3 meter. BC is equal to 48 under root 3 meter. 48 upon root 3 plus X is equal to 48 root 3. Therefore, X is equal to 48 root 3 minus 48 upon root 3. X is equal to 48 root 3 minus 48 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 48 root 3 minus 48 root 3 upon 3. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 48 root 3 minus 16 root 3. 16 3 is a 48. 48 upon 3 is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 48 root 3 minus 16 root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 48 minus 16, bracket complete, root 3. 48 minus 16 is equal to 32. Therefore, x is equal to 32 into root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 32 into 1.73. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. Therefore, x is equal to 55.36 meter. Therefore, the distance between the two cars is 55.36 meter. Question 5. Solve the following sub questions. Any one, 3 marks. 1. Let M be a point of a contact of two internally touches circles. Let the line AMB be their common tangent. The chord CD of the bigger circle touches the smaller circle at point N. The chord CM and chord DM of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at point P and R respectively. A. From the above information, draw the suitable figure. Question 5.1. A. Suitable figure. See figure carefully. Bigger circle, tangent AMB. Smaller circle, tangent DNC. DRM, CPM, collinear points. B. Draw segment NR and segment NM and write the two pairs of congruent angles in smaller circle considering tangent and chord. C. By using the property which is used in B, write the two pairs of congruent angles in the bigger circle. B. Pair of congruent angles in smaller circle. Angle CNM, congruent angle DNM, each angle is 90 degree. Tangent theorem. CNM, congruent angle DNM. Angle PMN, congruent angle RMN. Segment MN bisect the angle PMR. Angle PMN, congruent angle RMN. Segment MN bisect the angle PMR. C. Pair of congruent angles in bigger circle. Angle AMN, congruent angle BMN, each angle is 90 degree. Tangent theorem. Angle AMN, congruent angle BMN. Angle CMN, congruent angle DMN. Segment MN bisect the angle CMD. Angle CMN, congruent angle DMN. Segment MN bisect the angle CMD. 2. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3 cm. Draw a tangent segment PA having length under root 40 cm from an exterior point P. Question 2. Here Radius of circle is equal to 3 centimeter. Tangent segment PA is equal to under root 40 centimeter from an exterior point P. Now we need to find the distance of point P from the center of circle using Pythagoras theorem. Radius tangent perpendicular to each other. Tangent theorem. Triangle OAP. OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. Triangle OAP. OP square plus OA square is equal to PA square. Therefore OP square is equal to 3 square plus under root 40 square. Therefore OP square is equal to 3 square 9 under root 40 square is equal to 40. Therefore OP square is equal to 9 plus 40. Therefore OP square is equal to 49. Therefore OP is equal to 7. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore distance of point P from the center O is 7 centimeter. OP 7 centimeter. OA radius 3 centimeter. PA tangent segment under root 40 centimeter. BC perpendicular to OP. M is a center. See figure carefully.